in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use this non-dairy whipping cream, and this is the whipping cream that I use instead of the normal whipping cream because it is easily available in India and it is stable at high temperature. It is perfect to use to frost your cakes and it gives amazing results. If you get this, make sure to read all of the instructions for use on the package, and this cream can be stored for about 12 months from the date of manufactured. You're going to store the cream in the freezer if you don't plan to use it for long. And before using it, you're going to store it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. And once the cream has thawed, you can go ahead and use it. So you're going to use as much cream as the recipe calls for. And make sure to use a large bowl because the cream is going to expand in volume. I prefer to use 1 tablespoon sugar for every 1/4 cup cream. You can add more if you like the cream to be sweeter. And then you're going to beat this on the highest speed. And after a few seconds, your cream is going to start thickening up. And once you have soft peaks, you're going to know that the cream is done. You don't need to overbeat this cream and it's going to be nice and stiff. As you can see here, the cream holds its shape very well and it's not going to melt in high temperature. And you can go ahead and frost your cake with this cream. And you can get creative and decorate your cake however you like. I also used this cream to make my Black Forest cake, and you can check the recipe video, and it turned out so good. And you can also add some color to this cream or some flavor and have fun with it. And you are going to have a beautiful and colorful cake. I hope this video was helpful to you. Subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with new recipes and click the little bell icon to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you soon with a new video. Bye!